Peep the flick of the wrist while I'm stirring up my witch's brew. Black girl magic, I'm a savage. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Black girl magic, I'm a savage. Yeah, you know it's true.
Good morning, guys, and today we're gonna start our Brandless day off with Brandless toothpaste. It's cruelty-free and it's peppermint. I've been using it for a few days already, and it's really good. So, yeah, I'm gonna start off with that. I also got this body wash in some green tea and aloe. It smells really good. I use it when I take a shower. It's really nice. My sister got this facial lotion. I don't really like it. It makes my face feel kind of sticky, but I think she liked it. It's not fragrant, but I don't like it. And next, I'm gonna take my hair down because I don't have my hair like this normally. When I know I'm gonna do something, or like film a YouTube video, I would wash my hair and tie it up overnight. Now I'm gonna go take Mary out.
Okay. First thing that I'm going to try. Well, I've already tried the toothpaste, body wash, and now it's time for food. So these are already open, but it's the lentil crisp jalapeno, sweet jalapeno. But I'm pretty sure this is so spicy. Perfectly round. It's like a puff, like. I don't think it's spicy. I like it. I give that an 8 out of 10. I had it before, only had a few. Next time I didn't try before, the everything pretzel crisps. I mean pretzel crisps. Get scissors. Oh, it smells good. Oh, look, it's a circle. It's not really a pretzel shape. Actually, I don't really like these. But I like these. It tastes like a pretzel. 8 out of 10 again. I'm gonna get some in a minute. Oh, look. Another thing. Low corn tortilla chips, just plain chips. It says vegan right on the bag. I'm picky about my chips, so they don't seem like that cool of a thing, but good chips are hard to find. Oh crap, my milk is overboiling for the hot chocolate. I'm gonna 9 out of 10 because this is a good, sturdy, full of corn tortilla. Next, I tried one of these last night too. It's a cinnamon pretzel twist. It's vegan. And actually, I'm gonna say that to go with my hot chocolate. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna try a mango. Whoa, that's a big piece.
Like, that's kind of a big piece. I'm gonna have to rip that in half.
It's not the sweet kind, which is good. It's just mango. Mm. 10 out of 10 because it's just a mango. I was really chewing. I need a minute. Okay. When we pulled out the bag, I was like, why do you guys get cheddar puffs? You can't eat cheddar. But after this is gluten-free, dairy-free on the bag. I'm reading it again. Okay, yeah. Gluten-free and dairy-free. Quinoa jalapeno cheddar puffs. I mean, how cool is that? Ooh. Mmm. That's good. Ooh. I was about to say I can't taste the jalapeno, but like, you taste it like after. But not too much. Those are spicier than these. I'm pretty sure. And that's sweet jalapeno. Ooh. You can get a little bit of quinoa taste, just a little bit. I like that. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because I like Ernest Balance's puffs better. But that's about it. $3? Yeah. This is the hot cocoa mix. I heat up some milk and I'm about to try it. Here's a packet. I don't know why I'm sniffing the packet. Hold on. I'm gonna go get the milk. It says to make hot cocoa. Pour a pack of hot cocoa into your mug, add hot water and hot milk, stir and enjoy. Hi, Brandon. You can't eat chocolate. Okay, I got that in there. I'm gonna pour in the milk. This is almond milk, by the way. I hope I got enough. It says 6 ounces. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's try the hot cocoa. Ooh. Mmm. Okay. Oh my god. This is vegan, right? I have to go double check. Sugar, cornstarch, sea salt, cocoa powder, powdered sugar. Oh my god, that is delicious. The cinnamon twist. Oh my god, my sisters are gonna freak. This is so good. Oh my god. I wish you could try this, Brandon. Mmm. Oh my god. It sound like, I don't know, it sound ridiculous though. Sorry, buddy. Oh. It's delicious. The lemon twist is really good, dipped in hot cocoa. But this hot cocoa, man. I could drink like 3 more packs of this. My forehead looks funny. Oh well.
I left some chunks in there by accident, but I don't really care. Oh, I have a spoon right here. I'm gonna mix it in. I love this. Brandless is awesome. I used to get annoyed because being YouTubers used to always like be like, go to Brandless, and I'm sponsored by Brandless. But I'm not mad anymore. This is mango that I didn't finish earlier. I don't think you can eat mango, but Brandless is freaking awesome. And we got something else from Brandless too. There's the brown basmati rice. We probably might incorporate that into dinner. And for lunch, I'm gonna have tacos. So, Brandless all day, every day, 3 meals a day. Right, Brandon? Maybe they have dog stuff. You could check. Brandon, want to check Brandless for dog treats? Are you mad at me because I was rubbing it in? Brandon, treats? You smell the cocoa on my breath. Peace.